got the phone call down the hall the other day. I don't know whether I should go or I should stay. Man, I'm tired of hearing all these words. People talk shit, but I tell them it's for the birds, like the worms in the dirt. Even 6 feet in this motherfucking earth. I stay high until my rebirth. I want to give smiles while people rehearse curses. Nothing's perfect and things just worsen. I like to sit back and smoke my trees. Tell Dobie to come to me and we get high till 3 and we sleep past noon. Video games AC on in the room, chilling like an iceberg coming out of shitberg. Neighbors call the Alps and I'm yelling out Dinkelberg. Bet they can't read a single word in the dictionary. Punch them in the chest, cardiopulmonary. My bars are revolutionary. You are scary, out of the ordinary, kind of canary that's out of the contrary. I want to be an extraordinary luminary. You better be cautionary before you end up in a cemetery. Yeah, you gotta keep warm when it's cold. There's war outside, yeah, I already know. I got the phone call down the hall the other day. I don't know whether I should go or I should stay. Gotta keep